Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying this is the Rx3 and noting the current firmware version so you don't install the wrong build. Once confirmed, back up all settings and calibration files to a USB or your computer. This prevents data loss if the update resets defaults. Make sure the battery is at least 50% or, better yet, connect a stable power source so the device won't die mid-flash. Gather the correct USB-C cable and set the unit to bootloader or update mode before proceeding. You now download the official Rx3 firmware for your hardware revision and open the recommended flashing tool on your PC. Connect the Rx3, select the correct COM or USB port, and set the required baud or transfer settings. This ensures the tool communicates reliably. Start with an erase or backup step if prompted, then write the firmware and monitor the verification stage. Keep cables secure and avoid multitasking on the PC to reduce interruption risk, because verification confirms a success. Once flashing completes and verification passes, reboot the Rx3 and restore your backed up settings, then perform a quick functional check of core features to confirm normal operation. If something goes wrong, try the same process again using a different USB cable or port, or an earlier version of the flashing tool. Intermittent hardware or driver issues are common. If retries fail, capture error messages and logs, then contact support with those details so they can match symptoms to a precise recovery procedure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.